Is QuickBooks forcing you to go online? So QuickBooks has decided to discontinue certain levels of desktop. And especially with this global and ever-changing market, that is forcing a lot of CPAs and business owners alike to convert onto QuickBooks Online. Now, even if you are a QuickBooks desktop hardcore user like I was for about 15 years, QuickBooks Online can really trip you up. I like to describe it as just different enough to be annoying. So if you're in this space of converting your QuickBooks desktop into your QuickBooks Online account, you have to be really careful in this process, especially if you've had QuickBooks for a really long time, QuickBooks Desktop specifically, or you have really complicated invoicing situations or complicated inventory situations. So it's not as simple as just converting into the new software, although it does look and feel that simple. You can also be accidentally importing all of these years and years and years of mistakes kind of into this new account. So if you want to get more familiar with QuickBooks Online, or if you want to get more familiar with setting up for the first time QuickBooks Online, I have a really awesome course called QuickBooks Fresh Start. And anyone who's used QuickBooks knows that the contact help page or even customer service is not super helpful because you're not calling accountants. You're calling people specializing in the software specifically, but they're not applying your situation to what is going on internally and how you run your business. So this course really focuses on being able to support you fully into going from QuickBooks Desktop into QuickBooks Online or starting a brand new QuickBooks Online account, get to know navigation tools, tricks and tips, how to verify your work, and really just feel very confident going through the software as someone who's managing their finances for themselves or for their clients. Check out the link to see more information.